Hey Charmers, Virgo Mama Bailey here with my token Capricorn, Safi.
Hi!
What do you know about Capricorn? Like, tell me a little bit before I get into my whole spiel.
Okay, so Capricorns, from my knowledge, very hardworking, goal-driven, very nurturing. I think that's
So
all
they're
I
gonna
know.
be the sea goat, right? So they're gonna be climbing that mountain every single day, whether it's big or small. They're the hard workers of the Zodiac sign. They have a goal usually in mind, and they're not afraid to put their head down and just go for it. So you can always trust your Capricorn friends to be there for you. They're gonna be an earth sign, really down to earth. Would all your friends come to you for advice?
All the time.
All the time.
But
all
I'm
the
here
time.
for you guys.
And all the drama, I'm sure that you know all the secrets because they're just like, Safi, help me.
I got you.
Thank you.
I got you.
I know.
Yeah.
That's why everybody loves the Capricorn in their life. A strong maternal figure, a strong paternal figure. They're just there for you. Earth signs, they're going to be down to earth. That's why everybody wants to come to Safi, our token Capricorn. Yeah, they always want to come to her for advice because she's going to be the logic, the voice of reason. So today, what we're going to be doing on the beautiful Safi Capricorn, we have this Ace Vintage Beauty color palette. 12 colors that are going to represent the colors that you're going to find on the beautiful sunsets of the earth. So as you can see, these are very earthy colors. You're going to find these out in nature because our Capricorns love nature, the sea goat of the horoscope. So I'm immediately drawn to this Serengeti.
Same.
I'm just like,
gonna be
yum.
stunning.
Oh, I need that. So we're going to incorporate that somehow, and maybe some of these, like this middle rose calling my name.
No, yeah.
This is
This entire middle row.
We'll
Very
just
organized.
maybe do like that Tetris L type of a thing.
I
just like
like-
whoop, whoop.
I like a lot.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna stick with for you, I think. Maybe a little bit of like a smoky sunrise eye or something. We won't get too carried away because, but we'll have some
sounds
fun with
fantastic.
it. Now let's move on to creating the eye look. Hey Charmers, Bailey and Safi here, back with this Ace Beauty palette. And just a reminder, here are 12 colors that are reminiscent of the sunrises witnessed in various locations across the world. So they're beautiful colors, and the top 3 product benefits are that this is easy to blend, that they are highly pigmented, and there's maximum staying power. So we love all those things about an eyeshadow, right?
Definitely.
So we're just gonna start to play. I love this little yellow here, and we're not sure what we're doing yet. We're just gonna make it up as we go, because that's our favorite thing.
We'll work it out.
I'm just gonna highlight this inner corner a little bit with this yellow. So I like to gently blend so that at any point you could have a finished look, right? So we're just taking this beautiful pyramid color right here, and we're gonna sculpt out her eye socket just a little bit. So I'm starting at the corner and going down and then kind of around a little bit in here. Look up for me. So we're just framing the outside of her eye a tiny bit. I'm just gonna bring this all the way around. Beautiful. So now I'm gonna take Fade, which is just a little bit of a darker version of that.
When you meet someone and you interact with them, can you kind of tell what sign they are? From, like, maybe not their exact sign, but whether they're earth, fire, water.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So the air signs are going to be very like knowledge based. So I think of like writers and ideas, and they're kind of up in the air, and they'll have a lot of earth friends that are saying, okay, that's a great idea, but how are we gonna make that a reality? Like how are we gonna make that happen? So I'm taking now this Grand Canyon color, and I'm just bringing it on this inner portion. What other Capricorns do you know? You said you know that. Tell me about the female Capricorns that you know.
Okay, so my aunt is also a Capricorn, and I have another girlfriend who is also a Capricorn, and I'd say that we're all very organized. We all have planned out our life or what we want to achieve. We're good at diffusing situations.
Diffusing situations is a very strong attribute for the Capricorns. They're very good at coming in and understanding all the complicated emotions going on in a room and being able to address each of them individually. So I'm saying, hey, you're doing good at this, and this is what she really meant by this, and this is what the fire sign really meant by this, and chill out, it's totally gonna be okay. This is actually what everybody meant. They're very good interpreters. That's what, would you agree with that?
Yes.
They're very good at coming in and saying okay, everybody chill out.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm going to take this golden hour and really just pack it onto the center of Safi's lid. So tell me about your makeup habits as a Capricorn. What are some of your tendencies? What are your favorite makeup products?
I would definitely say first and foremost, before I even buy anything, it has to look good.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I feel like if it doesn't look that good, I won't gravitate towards it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, packaging first before I even use it. But you see, I feel like I am more creative minded. So although earth tones read with me very well, I love colorful palettes.
So next, I'm going to use Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. And what I love about this, it's a lightweight concealer that's gel-based. And so if you want to mix it with any of your water-based creams, gel-based creams, they're going to blend really nicely together if you want to thin it out, or if you want that maximum coverage, they're awesome. For you, I'm going to mix two colors because who doesn't want to channel their inner artist all the time? I know everybody at home has a concealer, a foundation, something that's not your skin color. And don't be quick to throw it out. Don't be quick to be like, I hate this and never use it. Mix a few colors together. I mean, try it out.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I think that whether you mix a little of your darker concealer with a lighter foundation, or whether you use it for contour or an eyeshadow base, get creative and make good use of all those products. So on you, I'm going to use Shady Lady and Shades for Days. So, and we're just gonna brighten it up. Your skin looks amazing, actually, but we're just gonna take a little bit of this. We're just gonna kind of clean up what we were working on.
It feels really great on my skin.
Yeah, how does it feel?
It feels really nice. It's like almost cooling and lightweight at the same time.
Yeah, so it's gonna give you that coverage, but it's not gonna be too drying. Really just brighten up and clean up some of these edges. Remember, cosmetic companies aren't going to get your color perfectly. There are so many different skin tones out there, and your shade might change on a day-to-day basis. So now we're gonna do Wander Beauty Trip for Two, and this is going to be a bronzer and a blush shade. So I love this daiquiri color because that's just gonna bring some really vibrant life to her cheeks. So we're gonna use that first. And I do like to smile. This is an old cheesy trick, but I like to see where people are naturally going to be a little bit flush. So I just kind of place the product, and then I just start to blend. I like to keep it above the nose. I'm gonna use a little bit of this Tulum. Who doesn't love Tulum, am I right? And just kind of blend that into the blush here. And don't be afraid to be light-handed and then just see how it looks. Like I was saying, your eyes are unlike any other tool out there. They're gonna see color, they're gonna see texture like nothing else can. Now to finish off, every great makeup look needs amazing mascara. For me, I love mascara, never enough. If you get the eyelashes right, you know, everything else is a little bit flexible. So here we have Petite and Pretty Volumizing Mascara. What I love about this is it's nice and feathery and it's easily buildable.
I love that you're coating the top. People always forget about the top.
That's so important.
You need the 360 coating.
I've been so into a good natural lash lately. Not that I don't love lashes, but sometimes you're just feeling that mascara. So like Sophia is saying, there's nothing worse than mascara only being on the ends of your lashes. You want to get it right to the root. You want it to be dark right to the root. You don't want floating lashes. That is not cute. Last, but certainly not least about my Capricorns are always going to be the epitome of beauty. They're gonna have these strong, beautiful features. I mean, are you kidding me? With these cheekbones, these lips. Don't forget to stay true to you, play with those makeup looks, like, comment, and subscribe below.